In HVAC services, the first buyer shortlist is increasingly being shaped by AI answers. When a homeowner asks, "What is the best HVAC system?" or "Compare Trane versus Carrier," the response can act like a ranked consideration set. The benchmark shows why visibility alone is a weak goal. The commercial advantage comes from being recommended, especially in the top 3. Hey, I'm Mark Huntley, founder and CEO of SiteWorks Studio. At SiteWorks Studio, we study how brands show up across Google, AI answers, and the public sources buyers trust before making decisions, and how that visibility turns into credible citations, comparisons, and recommendations. This June 2026 benchmark measured HVAC services across 6 AI platforms: ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini, Google AI Mode, Google AI Overviews, and Perplexity. It analyzed 1,418 observations across consideration, evaluation, and decision stage prompt clusters. The headline is clear: recommendation power is concentrated. Lennox, Trane, and Carrier together capture over $5.9 million in modeled monthly AI authority value, about 21% of the total $28.6 million monthly opportunity across the 10 measured companies. Lennox leads overall at $2.24 million, followed by Trane at $2.19 million and Carrier at $2.16 million. The important distinction for executives is presence versus recommendation. A mention means the brand appeared somewhere in the AI response. A valid recommendation means the brand was positively advanced as a shortlist quality choice. Goodman is the clearest example. It appears in 44.9% of AI responses, the 4th highest raw mention presence in the dataset, but its top 3 rate is only 4.2%, and its average recommended rank is 4.35. That means buyers often see Goodman named, then see Lennox, Trane, or Carrier recommended ahead of it. 𝐑𝐞𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬 shows similar visibility to recommendation gaps. Both appear frequently, but neither converts that presence into top 3 placement at the level of the category leaders. For growth and marketing teams, this changes what must be measured. Raw AI visibility can overstate competitive strength if the brand is not being selected as a primary recommendation. The leaders are not identical in how they win. Lennox leads overall AI authority value and performs especially well in the evaluation and consideration clusters. It also has the highest net sentiment score in the category at 0.914, which suggests consistently positive shortlist quality framing when AI systems surface the brand. Trane leads rank 1 placement. Across all observations, Trane has a rank 1 rate of 23.4% and the best average recommended rank in the dataset at 1.68. It also leads the pricing and cost evaluation cluster, capturing $646,299 in monthly modeled value at the decision stage. Carrier remains part of the defined top tier, with a rank 1 rate of 16.7% and leadership on ChatGPT and Google AI Mode by modeled AI authority value. The category has platform-specific winners, which means brands need prompt-level and platform-level monitoring rather than one blended visibility score. The benchmark also shows that being mentioned can become a liability when the framing is negative. ARS Rescue Router appears in only 1.6% of observations, but the deeper issue is sentiment. Of its 22 total appearances, 18 are negative, and the brand earns 0 valid recommendations across all 6 platforms and all 3 prompt clusters. That is a public evidence problem. AI systems appear to be surfacing cautionary material rather than recommendation-eligible support. In a trust-heavy category like HVAC services, where buyers are making expensive, long-life decisions, negative framing can steer the buyer toward alternatives before a sales conversation begins. American Standard shows the opposite pattern. It has lower mention volume than Goodman, 𝐒𝐈𝐻, and Rheem, but stronger recommendation quality. Its top 3 rate is 11.3%, and its average recommended rank is 2.82. The report suggests its comparison content signals may be stronger, especially in evaluation stage prompts. The benchmark does not include a full public citation source audit for each brand in the summary, but it does identify the likely evidence layers shaping AI answers in HVAC services. Official brand websites and product documentation form a baseline. AI systems need reliable material on efficiency ratings, product lines, warranty information, and installation requirements. Third-party editorial reviews, comparison guides, contractor association resources, review platforms, directories, complaint content, forums, Reddit discussions, and homeowner advice sources can all influence framing. This is where citation architecture becomes a leadership issue. If the public source layer is thin, fragmented, outdated, or negative, AI systems have less persuasive material to synthesize. If the source layer is consistent and comparison-ready, the brand has a stronger chance of earning recommendation stage visibility. The leadership takeaway is straightforward. In
HVAC Services, AI search visibility has to be managed at the recommendation stage. Track where the brand appears, where it is recommended, whether it reaches the top 3, which platform is producing the answer, and which sources are shaping the framing. The modeled values in this benchmark are estimates, not booked sales or guaranteed demand, but they are useful for seeing where AI recommendation strength is concentrated. Brands that build stronger citation architecture, improve comparison evidence, and fix negative or neutral framing will be better positioned as AI-generated shortlists influence HVAC services discovery.